Today I will show you how to make hanging pumpkins. The clear bases are already pre-fired into pumpkin shape. Every pumpkin is all one of a kind. Plus, your creativity and ideas will make them more unique. It is a very simple process. You can place the provided glass pieces on the table, then fill out the clear pumpkin as you want. Like when you're doing coloring books, but with the glass pieces. You can use either small pieces or frit balls. You can also add another layer with any glass pieces. There is no specific way you need to do it. You can just fill out clear surface, whatever you want. You can even use the Sharpies to draw on it. Or you can leave some part in clear, then you can see through it. If you will hang your pumpkins on the window, you can see the lights coming through. You can watch this video, and once you're done with gluing, let it dry for hours. And that's it. I hope you enjoy your time and see you soon at the studio. Thanks for watching.